Begin this meditation when you're ready to fall asleep. Make sure there are no distractions and allow yourself to settle into the comfort of your bed. Adjust your blankets, fluff your pillow, and create a cozy, peaceful space. If needed, hit pause and return when you're ready. Let your body sink deeper into relaxation, feeling the softness of your bed supporting you. Close your eyes and take a deep, cleansing breath. As you exhale, imagine releasing the weight of the day, giving it all to God. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Matthew chapter 11, verse 28. Feel the truth of this scripture settle over you like a warm, protective blanket. Let God's promise of rest fill your heart and mind. Take another deep breath, letting it serve as an act of trust, surrendering everything into God's hands. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the coolness of the air as it enters your nose and the warmth as it exits. Each breath is a reminder of the life and grace God continually provides. Think on these words. I am held in the arms of a loving God. His peace surrounds me and His rest restores me. With each inhale, imagine breathing in God's peace. With each exhale, release your worries and concerns into His care. Let this rhythm of breathing become your prayer of surrender, a gentle yes, Lord, with every breath. Feel gratitude rising in your heart as you reflect on God's faithfulness. Be thankful for the softness of your bed, the warmth of your blankets, and the quiet of this moment. You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast, because they trust in you. Isaiah chapter 26, verse 3. Allow this promise to quiet your thoughts and calm your heart. Imagine a spark of light within your chest, a symbol of God's love and joy. This light begins to grow, flickering softly and spreading warmth throughout your body. Where does this light travel first? Trust where it goes, feeling it illuminate every part of you. Let it bring comfort to any place where you hold tension. As the light moves, imagine God's words washing over you. Be still and know that I am God. Psalm chapter 46, verse 10. Feel the stillness grow within you, the assurance that God is in control. The light begins to multiply, filling your entire being with God's presence. It's as if your body is a canvas painted with countless stars representing His promises. Each light whispers a truth. God is my refuge and strength. His peace anchors my soul. Feel the weight of the day melt away as you rest in this truth. imagine a shield of light surrounding you, keeping you safe and held in God's perfect love. As you drift closer to sleep, let these final affirmations guide you. I release my burdens into God's hands. My heart is at peace. My body is at rest, and my soul is refreshed by His presence. Tonight, I sleep knowing God watches over me. His love never fails. Now, let go completely. Feel yourself drifting into a deep, restorative sleep, trusting that God's peace will sustain you through the night. In peace I will lie down and sleep. For you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety. Psalm chapter 4, verse 8. Rest well, beloved child of God. How was your experience? Let me know in the comments. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Good night.